50-50. Or if y'all want to do 50-20, or what is it? 25-25 or something like that. So the winner gets 25, 250. If we get $1,000, the winner get two winners get 250. Okay, let me block you so you can't come back later. Yeah, okay, cool, T. I'm gonna do it tonight. Probably like 8 o'clock Eastern time or whatever. Because I need to get my car fixed. And if I get that $1,000, I'm gonna be live when I drop my car off to the mechanic. And then I only gotta fix one more part on it. Y'all, my fucking doors handles came off. Can y'all help me? Can y'all help me out? Tell me, y'all. Y'all the smartest. Tell me. Can y'all help me out? Hello. I'm about to eat. Hello. So if the door handles came off your door, how you put them back? My son said they showing your video in psych class at VHU. Okay. That's what's up. Can you send me a recording of that? I want to see it. I want to see what they talking about. No, it completely came off. Like, it's metal. It's like it came off. It's like you gotta weld it back on. On the car. Like the slide doors for my kids going out of them, both of the handles on both sides broke off. So I gotta open up the passenger door, then push the door open to open it on both, and open up the driver's door and push that door open to open it. And I'm like, that's a fire hazard. They can't, that means that, well, they can't, well, I guess it's not, well, if an emergency state. No, one broke probably like 7 months ago, and the other one just broke like 2 months ago. Girl, I paid $7,000 cash for that car. I paid $7,000. I'm gonna ride until them wheels fall off. I still need a new car, but I'm riding that car until them wheels fall off. Sell it? You think I could try to sell it with when everything's going on with it? Ain't nobody gonna want that car with the doors like that. They only want $500 for that car. I paid $700, and it just need two things fixed with the engine. And the car runs. I done drive that car to Ohio and back a couple of times. It run good. It's just the doors and stuff. I would never sell that car. Even if the engine blow on there, not the engine, but the trans blow, I'll get a new trans. I'll drop a new trans in there. I ain't gonna sell that car. I just need another car. I paid $7,000 cash for it.